Hi everyone, how's your writing going? Awesome. So today I want to talk a little bit about a frame. No, it's not really a picture frame, but let's pretend it is. I want you to think, what do you do with a picture frame? Yeah, a lot of times you put pictures in it that are special to you. So I usually put pictures of my family and things that are special and important. So in school, we're also going to use a frame, but not for pictures. We're going to use a frame for your thoughts because all of your thoughts are special and important, so they deserve to be in a frame. Let me show you what kind of frame I mean. This is our frame. We call it a sentence frame. And it goes up in the beginning to remind us that a sentence is framed on one side by a capital and uppercase, and then the other side it's framed in with a stop sign. And the stop sign could be a period, it could be an exclamation point, or it could be a question mark. But it reminds us to stop and breathe before we go on to the next sentence. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to stand up with me, and we are going to make this frame with our hands. Here's what it's going to look like. A sentence starts with an uppercase and ends with a stop sign. Do it with me. A sentence starts with an uppercase and ends with a stop sign. Awesome. So today for your writing, you are going to be matching your words together from your lists from the other day and writing some sentences. Make sure that your sentence start with an uppercase and end with a stop sign.